To make the squishy balloon, we need glue. I have used Fevicol, but we can use any type of glue. We need a flour like corn flour or maida, a small bowl with a hole in the bottom, a rubber band, a balloon. The tape is optional, I have not used the tape, and lastly a vegetable net. So let's start. We should take the balloon and wrap it around the small bowl with a hole in it. Now we're going to start placing the maida into the balloon. So I'm using only 2 of these small spoons. We do not need much because maida is only for thickening. So now we can even feel the maida inside the balloon. So now we're going to start placing the glue into the balloon. So now only like 3 or so squeezes, maybe more, will be needed. And now we can even feel the glue inside the balloon. So now we have to remove the balloon from the place of the small ball with the hole in it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to tie the balloon. Now after tying the balloon, what we can do is we can squish it and see if it's nicely mixed and it's even satisfying like this. As we can see, it's squishy and really satisfying like this too. But what we are going to do is put it in a net and you'll see why. So now I just put it into the vegetable net and we're going to hold it together and cut it a little above the end part of the balloon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our rubber band and we're going to tie it around the balloon and the net to keep it in place. Now you'll see how much more satisfying it is when it's in the net. So when we squeeze it together, you'll see small bubbles coming and it's extremely satisfying. We can get more than one bubble at a time. Here is our end result.